And welcome back. So we did have a lot of sunshine as we made our way through the day today. That continues the trend from early last week. We got some rain to finish out last weekend to start the weekend, but now we're back to that dry and warm weather pattern. Here's a look at the tower cam time lapse as we made our way through the day today. Just a few high clouds. Other than that, we do have mainly clear skies across the region. Here's a look at the high temperature, well above average for this time of year. Again, at 83 degrees in Imperial and North Platte, 84 your high out toward Ogallala, and we're closer to 80 out toward Valentine, Thedford, Broken Bow, and Lexington. Now, the temperatures outside right now look like this. We have since cooled into the upper 50s at North Platte, Lexington, and Hyannis, 61 at Imperial, and the cool spot is Broken Bow, currently at 50 degrees. So there is a little bit of a disturbance that's just over, as you can barely tell. The winds are extremely light out there, around 3 to 6 miles per hour where they are blowing, but into our southern and eastern counties, more of a southerly wind, so that's the warmer air mass. Into our northern and western counties, a northerly wind, so that's a cooler air mass, but you can barely tell. You'll see on the wider maps there actually are two high pressure systems that are in charge of our forecast, but the highs, all they do is give us mainly clear skies. So we do have clear skies, just a few high clouds into our northern counties, and that is basically it. That's going to be the story through most of the evening. So over the weekend, we had that high pressure system to our south, and we were on its warm side with that southerly wind, and it really gave us temperatures well above average. Again, we were under its influence as we made our way through the day today, but here's this disturbance that's right over us, kind of like the borderline of the warm sector of this high and the cool sector of this high. Now, this one is really going to take charge as we go through the next couple of days. That cool sector isn't really going to last very long, and temperatures still with the sunshine and the dry air should stay above average as we go through your Tuesday and your Wednesday. Here's a look at the skycast going through the rest of the evening and the overnight temperatures falling back through the upper 40s. Still a little bit of a northerly wind, so that's why it will be a little cooler. But for the day tomorrow, we are going to be around 80 degrees for a high with mainly clear skies, and then going through the overnight into Wednesday morning, a little cooler with lows in the mid to upper 40s. Still above average for this time of year in terms of lows, but as we make our way through the day on Wednesday, there's your southerly wind, lots of sunshine as temperatures do stay into the mid-70s to near 80 degrees, still above average for this time of year. So one high is going to exit, just a little bit of a cool sector from this high. That'll flip the wind around to a northerly direction, so expect those cool overnight lows into the mid-40s over the next couple of days. This high works its way off to the east, and then we get back to sunshine and a strong southerly flow all the way through Thursday, and then this low pressure system works its way in. It looks like the main low will track to our north again. We do have that frontal boundary, and that will leave us with a chance of some showers, maybe a rumble of thunder as we go through your Friday through maybe Sunday or Monday time frame. Here's a look at the temperature outlook. This now goes from we'll say the first week of October, October 2nd through October 6th. Still have that 40 to 50% chance of being above average. Average highs falling back to near 70 by the time we get to the first week of October, and it will continue to fall. And it looks like we're going to be slightly drier than average. Could have a rain shower here or there, but other than that, our dry and warm weather pattern will continue. We can definitely see it as we go through the rest of this work week. High temperatures near 80 on tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday. Lots of sunshine. The wind does pick up, becomes a little breezy for your Wednesday and Thursday. And then upper 70s on Friday and mid 70s on Saturday, and then falling into the lower 70s on Sunday. Partly cloudy skies will keep a 20 to 30% chance of some evening showers on each of those days, and then back up to 75 on Monday. Still not bad, and we do keep those slight moisture chances. Kent?
And really, temperatures not varying too much over the next week.
Not varying too much and staying above average.
All right, thanks so much, Justin. COVID-19 wasn't the only significant health threat the virus sparked in the United States. Drug overdoses rose during the pandemic, according to information from healthcare claims by Fair Health. But during the same time, fewer people were diagnosed with substance